How to log in MetaTrader 5 account? First of all, launch the MetaTrader 5 application on your device. You will land on this section. Then what you need to do is simply tap the three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. On this left panel, select Get Started at top of the screen. Now select the plus button at top right corner to add information about your account. Here you can easily find your broker if you don't have any brokers for your account. So if you wish to have or create your demo account, simply you can tap on Meta Codes Ltd, and then you will land on this kind of interface where if you don't have a demo account, you can tap on Open the demo account and create. If you have already the demo account, you can log into an existing account by entering all the credentials like login, password, server, and if you wish to save the password, you can check mark the box. But if you forget your password, you can easily tap on Forget Password link and easily recover from there. After you enter all the information and credentials, tap the login button and then can easily log into MetaTrader 5 account. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.